Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how do you scroll on a Magic Trackpad with Apple. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start scrolling on Windows on your Magic Trackpad Apple. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you actually want to go ahead and get two fingers. And in order to scroll, all you need to do is click on a window and you just need to drag with two fingers. So either scroll up or scroll down. So if you actually go ahead and let's look at this window right over here. If I have two fingers and I scroll up, I'm basically pulling the window down. And then if I have two fingers and scroll down, I'm scrolling the other way. In order to adjust your Magic Trackpad settings, all you've got to do is go into settings right over here and scroll down to where it says trackpad. So from here, you could actually edit the point and click. You can edit the scroll and zoom, and you can edit more gestures. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain how do you scroll on a Magic Trackpad with Apple. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.